Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A73, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is prepped, meaning open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. This will give you a flash along with a pop-up with a scrollable screenshot and also share option, which does disappear after a really brief moment. Once it disappears, you can find this captured screenshot in your Photos application. Now you won't be able to see it right at the front right here, so you need to navigate to Library and then Album called Screenshots. And here you can find all of your screenshots that I've captured, along with also screen recordings. So this is the screenshot that I've just captured. And here's also a screen recording. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.